Hello students, welcome back to our e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Class 1, Subject Mathematics, and the topic we are going to start or study today is short form and long form. Students, we have already studied short form and long form in our previous classes. Today we will be learning or we will be understanding short form and long form in hundreds, tens and ones. In our previous classes we did only till ones and tens. I am Anukriti Gupta, your mathematics teacher, will be guiding you for short form and long form today. Let us begin with our revision. Students, as I mentioned in our previous class that your homework is page number 99. So we will be discussing page number 99 now. This is your page number 99. We already discussed abacus in our previous class. Students, हम अपनी पिछली क्लास में जो कि कल थी उसमें abacus डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. So this is the exercise based on abacus और ये एक्सरसाइज abacus पे बेस्ड थी जो आपके लिए होमवर्क थी. So we will now discuss the answers and why we have written these answers. We will be discussing them in detail. So students, as you can see here in the abacus first part, in hundreds you can see only one counter or one bead. So we have written 100. As I already mentioned, there will be 3 lines. The rightmost will be for ones, the second will be for tens, and the left one will be for hundreds. In hundreds, we can see one bead or one counter. So we have written 100. Plus comes dash tens. So we will count the number of counters in tens, which is 3. So 3 tens. 1, 2 and 3. 3 tens. Now let's move to ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, we are having 5 counters in ones. So 100 plus 3 tens plus 5 ones comes out as 1, 3 and 5. 5 at ones place, 3 at tens place and 1 at hundreds place. We have to write the number name also. So 135. How? See students, this is the number. What will you call this number as? This is 35. And if I include this in this number, it will be 100 and. We have to add 100 and in every number, in every digit. This is the trick we will be using. In part 2, you can see there are no beads, no counters in tens line. So we have written 0 at tens place. And here also we will write 0 at tens place. So 106. If we will hide 1, we will get only 6. So 106. Let's move to third part. 1 at hundreds place, 1 at tens place, and let's count at ones place. At ones place we are having 3 counters. So 113. and we will write the number name also. So 113, spelling of 13, THIRTEEN, 13. How? If we will hide 1 at hundreds place, we will have only 13, and if we will not hide it, so we will have 113. Next will be question number 4, which will be similar to all the other questions. Let me discuss part 6 for you. 100, because 1 beat 1 counter at 100 line. Then 0 tens. Why 0 tens? Because we are having 0 counter at tens place. 0 tens. 8 ones. Let us count at 8 place. Sorry, let us count at ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 108. Next we will come to 7th. Here we can see there are no counters at ones place. So we have written 0 at ones, which will come out as 170. 70. On hiding 1, we will get 70. So 170. So I hope this is clear to you. You can cross check your answers also. Let us start with today's topic now, which is long form and short form. So students, tens equals to 100 ones equals to 100. This might be little confusing for you. Let me explain this to you in Hindi. Students, अगर हमारे पास 10 coins हैं 10 के, और अगर हमारे पास 100 रुपीज़ का एक नोट है, तो दोनों की अमाउंट इक्वल होगी. यहाँ पे वही लिखा है. The language may be different, but the term, the meaning is the same. What is long form and short form? So long form is basically long way of doing things, and short form is basically short form of doing things. How? So long form means लंबा, किसी चीज को बड़ा करके लंबा करके लिखना. Long means लंबा. शॉर्ट फॉर्म मीन्स किसी चीज को छोटा करके, एकदम छोटा करके लिखना. जब आप स्कूल आते हो या स्कूल से घर जाते हो, तो आपको जिसके साथ भी आप आते जाते हो, आप छोटे से रास्ते से जाते हो जिससे आप जल्दी पहुंच जाओ. अगर कभी आप लंबे रास्ते से जाते हो तो आपको टाइम लगता है. तो लंबा मीन्स लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट मीन्स छोटा. Now let us understand what do we mean by them in mathematics. Short form, combining shorter or smaller numbers. For example, 10 ones equals to 110. मतलब अगर हम 1 1 के 10 coins इकट्ठे करते हैं तो वो 10 बन जाता है. That is short form. आप 10 रुपये का 1 नोट ले लोगे 1 रुपये के 10 coin लेने से better. So that will be a short form. Now what is long form? Basically 100 plus 3 tens plus 6 ones equals to 136. So जो हमारा आंसर निकला है 136, this is basically short form है ये, जो कि हमने छोटा करके लिखा है. लॉन्ग फॉर्म कैसे बनेगा? इसी को आप उल्टा कर दोगे, एक्सपैंड करके लिखने को लॉन्ग फॉर्म बोलते हैं. ब्रेकिंग द नंबर इनटू स्मॉलर नंबर्स. जो लॉन्ग फॉर्म है वो हमें ऑलरेडी गिवन होता है, इसको हम स्मॉलर नंबर्स में ब्रेक करते हैं तो वो शॉर्ट बना देता है. बट बेसिकली लॉन्ग फॉर्म इज जिसको हम लंबा देखते हैं, जिसका आंसर बड़ा और लंबा आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप देख सकते हो 143. अब 100 प्लस 4 टेंस प्लस 3 वंस, इसको हमने बड़ा कर दिया. सो दैट इज लॉन्ग फॉर्म. ऊपर वाले में देखेंगे आप, हमने उसका आंसर छोटा कर दिया. 136, 136, दैट इज शॉर्ट फॉर्म. इसमें हमने आंसर लंबा कर दिया. सो दिस इज लॉन्ग फॉर्म. एक सम छोटा सा हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जिससे हम समझ पाए कि क्या है ये. सो यू कैन काउंट द नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स इन काउंटिंग. लेट मी हेल्प यू. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. यहाँ पे आ गए हमारे पास 10 ब्लॉक्स. अब हम सीधे काउंट करते हैं वर्टिकल. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो ये 10 इंटू 10 के ब्लॉक्स हो गए. क्यों? ऐसे भी 10 और ऐसे भी 10, वर्टिकली 10 और हॉरिजॉन्टली भी 10. तो 10 इंटू 10. व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर 10 इंटू 10? लेट अस रिवाइज. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. So these are 100 blocks. So 100 blocks. Let us understand the next blocks. These are 20 blocks. You can also count. These are 20 blocks. Next we will count the number of boxes for ones. The number of boxes for ones are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. So how we will solve them? So for solving them, we have 100 because the whole one block for 100 blocks. 2 tens because 20 blocks for 10, so 2 tens plus 4 ones because 4 boxes for ones. That will be equal to 100 plus 20 plus 4 equals to 124. And students, what do we call to 1 to 4? What is the number name for 1 to 4? Yes, the number name for 1, 2 and 4 is 124. This is how we will be learning, we will be understanding and writing. If we have to expand, we will be writing it in this format. Look at the screen, I am highlighting it for you. If you want to write it in long form, you will write it in this format. If you want to write it in short form, you will write it like this. Just like this. This is short form and this is long form. Both are the same. Now let's do some short form sums. So 100 plus 5 tens plus 6 ones. 100 place we see there is 1. In 500's place we see it, at 10's place we can see 5. Then at 6th place, at 1's place we can see 6. So what it will make? We can write it as 100, that means 100 plus 50, because at tens place we are having 5 plus 50. At ones place we are having 6, that means 6. So in short form we will write the answer as 156, 1, 5 and 6. Students, again I will explain it to you. In Hindi 100 लिखा है यहाँ पे, तो 100 की प्लेस पे हमारे पास है 1. 5 टेंस लिखा है, मतलब कि टेंस की प्लेस पे हमारे पास है 5. 6 वंस लिखा है, मतलब कि वंस की प्लेस पे हमारे पास है 6. अगर हम उसे कंबाइन करेंगे, वी विल राइट इट एज 100 प्लस 50. वाई 50? बिकॉज 5 है 50 टेंस की प्लेस पे, प्लस 6, मतलब कि वंस की प्लेस पे है 6. वी विल राइट इट एज 156, 1, 5 and 6. So the answer will come out as 156. Now what is the next part? Next session is your homework section. Students, you have to solve page number 100 in your course books. Page number 100 is your long form and short form. The short form answers and questions are given on page number 100. So you have to solve page number 100 only. Students, आपको पेज नंबर 100 पे आपकी बुक में शॉर्ट फॉर्म मिलेगा. जैसे कि मैंने अभी समझाया है शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखना, आप वैसे करना ट्राई करेंगे. अगर आप उसे नहीं कर पाते हैं तो हम उसके आंसर्स नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में जो भी डिस्कस करेंगे वो आपका आज के होमवर्क से रिलेटेड होगा. अगर आप नहीं भी कर पाते हैं तो हम उसे दोबारा डिस्कस करेंगे, बट आपको ट्राई करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू हैव टू ट्राई इट बाय योर ओन. यू हैव टू डू इट इन योर बुक ओनली. आपको ये सब कॉपी में नहीं करना है, सिर्फ बुक में पेज नंबर 100 सॉल्व करना है. दैट इज़ योर ओनली होमवर्क फॉर टुडे. Thank you for listening to me very patiently and have a nice day. Take care, students.